Welcome to 17412 La Mesa Lane. This is a beautiful 4-bed, 2-bath, 2,100 square foot home with a 2-car attached garage, less than 2 miles to the ocean in a wonderful school district.
Hi, I'm Jen.
And I'm Jeff.
And we're
Team Tackney.
And this is our video about what you'll get for $1 million.
What you can buy for $1 million in Huntington Beach, Surf City, California.
So here we are in the living room of this mid-century modern, built in 1965. It's a tri-level home. What we love is you have the nice wood-burning fireplace. You have the block wall
that stretches interior to exterior, which is great, along with the slate floor down below.
And underneath the pink carpet from 1982 is
hardwood oak floors that run throughout this downstairs area. Under the vinyl, possibly, but in this living area, all oak floors.
Tons of potential to make it your own. So in Huntington Beach, to get this size of a house, 4 bedrooms, 2 bath, just under 2,000 square feet, you're paying the $1 million price point, and you do have opportunity to make it your own. There are some things that will need to be upgraded. In that 1 million, 1.1, you're buying for the location, proximity to the beach, as well as the amazing schools.
Yep. And back here is this gigantic kitchen. So, enormous kitchen, plenty of space to work with. Now, if it were me, I may very well consider taking this wall out, opening this all up into a fantastic open concept floor plan, and you can actually move some of these lowers and wrap the kitchen around, and then you have
a nice
an expansive,
yeah. You could do a nice big 10-foot island. You'd have plenty of space for that, and then probably enclose and have that even dining room. Or you could take that dining room and add it to the master.
Yep.
You wouldn't even need it. So there's that potential as well.
Yep.
So lots and lots of potential.
So along with this expansive kitchen, you have this wonderful second deck. We have a deck out front. We have this great entertaining area back here. So you have expansive kitchen, eating area, and then it flows out into this wonderful entertaining area as far as the deck here. And you still have plenty of space in this expansive backyard. One thing that's really nice about this home, on the main level here with your living room and your kitchen and dining area, is also your primary bedroom, and it's a primary suite. It does have 3 closets, vanity area, shower commode, and then a large bedroom right here with a nice bay window overlooking the deck. So plenty of space here. If this isn't what you wanted as far as to suit your needs, ton of space to reconfigure and make this a one-of-a-kind primary suite.
This is what $1 million will get you in Huntington Beach, California. Thanks for watching. If you want to contact us, you can reach us anytime. And if you have any comments, questions, leave them below.
Remember to subscribe below and give us a like. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching.